We'll guide you through how to change font in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To change the font in Blender, begin by opening Blender on your computer and waiting for the interface to fully load. Once it is open, start a new project or open an existing file where you want to change the font so you have a workspace ready. In the default scene, delete the cube by selecting it with your mouse. Then press X on your keyboard and confirm the deletion when prompted. Next, press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Hover your cursor over the text option and click on Text to insert a new text object into your scene. Make sure the text object is selected, then press Tab to enter edit mode so you can modify the content. Delete the default word text by pressing backspace, and then type the word or sentence you want to display using your keyboard. After finishing the text, press Tab again to exit edit mode and return to object mode. Now move to the right side of the interface and locate the Properties Editor panel. In this panel, click on the Object Data Properties icon, which is represented by a green letter A. Within this section, find the font area and locate the regular font option. Click the folder icon next to regular to open the file browser window. Navigate through your computer's directories to find where your font file is stored, typically in TTF or ODF format. Select your desired font file and click Open Font to apply it. You will see the text in your scene immediately update to reflect the chosen font style. Finally, adjust any additional font settings such as bold, italic, or underline if those options are available to further customize your text appearance. Take a moment to position the text object properly in your scene by using the Move, Rotate, or Scale tools if needed. This helps ensure that the new font looks appropriate within your composition and camera view. You can also experiment with spacing, alignment, and paragraph settings found in the same Properties panel to refine how the text is displayed. If your font appears too small or too large, adjust the scale of the object in Object Mode until it fits your design. Remember to save your project regularly to Issues.